Hi there! Welcome to Tomboy Beauty. My name's Amy Harber, and this is all the fun places you can find me. Twitter, Instagram, YouTube. This is the October Ipsy glambag. Oh my gosh, it's Betty Boop themed. Boop boop beep boop. The theme is Flaunt It. Start obsessing over what you love about yourself. So, cute little bag there, which is so, I like set it up where like her eyes are the little cases there. Anyway, let's get into the products and start flaunting them. So we get this cute little boop 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 Ipsy October glam bag. It's Betty Boop themed with her little eyeballs there. Ooh, look at that. I know I'm being a dork. And it's got sequins on the back. Theme is Flaunt It. We have Murad Clarifying Cleanser. It's a powerful gel cleanser, gentle for all skin types. It's also blemish reducing. Salicylic acid. Then we've got the Betty Boop by Ipsy. That's so Betty eyeshadow. Flip your lid. It's super blendable, long wearing. It's a deep metallic shade. Let's try this. There we go, deep metallic shade. Then we have It Cosmetics CC Cream. It's SPF 50 in light. It's a blendable CC cream. You can wear it under your foundation. That's what I usually do with CC and BB creams. It's very pigmented, so a little bit will go a long way. I've actually had this before. You can also blend it with like a damp beauty sponge. Then we have KVossNYC Lip Treatment in Raspberry. It's a Luxe lip balm, which I still have the plastic on, so bear with me here. There we go. Whoop. Get rid of that. I already have some lip here, but a little raspberry color. There we go. Very lightweight. It's good for one of those days when you just want a little pop of color. I'll put it over a gloss like or lipstick like I did. So, but you can feel that it's very moisturizing. So, then finally we have Nomad Cosmetics Sydney Bathers Kiss of Sun Highlighter in Balmoral Beach. It's a very pinky, light pink, light peach highlighter. Oh, it's infused with pure source macadamia oil. It's a nutrient-packed Australian nut that helps soothe and moisturize your skin. Well, where's my mirror? Let's highlight away. highlighted. There we go. It's so adorable. Look at that. Whoop. So that is the very adorable Flaunt It, Betty Boop, Boop Boop Beep Boop, Ipsy October glam bag. This is where to follow me. And until next time, stay beautiful.